I spent last year incredibly focused in building, creating. In fact, I've spent my whole life building and putting countless hours into my skill sets. And hopefully when I leave this world, I will have made a difference to someone and left it in much better shape than I found it. Now I know that I'm not unique in this way. We all have ambitions and are all working towards positive changes in our own lives. So last week, I decided to head over to the beach for a family vacation. Summer's turned to fall, and I just wanted to get one last trip in and kind of bring closure to an amazing summer. So after spending some time in the ocean, I walked back up to the shore and found my kids completing a sand castle. You know, putting finishing touches on it. And my oldest sort of admired it from a distance, yet guarded it from his younger brother and anyone else that would walk close to it, from fear of someone running into their sandcastle. And this seemed a little disconcerting to me, because we all have this natural tendency to want to preserve our legacy and the effort that went into building it. Yet the more and more I thought about it, the more it occurred to me that the true beauty of it all was not in the sandcastle, sculpted or molded to perfection, because they are only symbolic. The beauty was in the family time that we all enjoyed while it was being created. We don't live for the final product. We live for the journey, the adventure, and the joy of the process, and tackling the unknown and turning it into something of beauty. That's why we get up every day, and that's why landscapes, oceans, and skylines run away with our imaginations. They are all representative of what makes us all feel alive. And sometimes it becomes extremely easy to forget that college degree, the executive position, promotions, and all the things that we seek are only validation. But they are not life. What you do every day is life. And how you turn simple, ordinary things into the extraordinary. We reach out and touch lives every day just by plugging into our place in the community, work, church, and our home lives. Cherish the time you spend building positive relationships with others, because there is nothing more important. Castles in the sand will not stand forever, and the tide, the wind, or a million other things will assist it in bringing the sand back to its original form. And just like us, its time is finite, but the joy of creating memories is such a masterpiece can never be lost. Because that's why we build, that's why we create. So don't build your castles in the sand expecting your achievements to last forever. Just build for the sake of building and enjoy the journey for what it is. And if life's elements happen to tear down what you've worked so hard to build, then rebuild and do it better and stronger than before. You'll be amazed at what starting over with this new perspective can do. What will you build today?
Follow Leaders of Fire on LinkedIn.